Hello my dear sleepers, hope you all are doing well. In your last video, you learned about exercise 2.5 A-bit, that is about how to round off a particular number to its nearest tens, right? So in this video, you are going to learn about exercise 2.5 B-bit and C-bit, that is how to round off a particular number to its nearest hundred and nearest thousands. Okay, so let us learn about how to round off a nearest hundreds first. Okay, to round off a particular number to its nearest hundreds, we need to follow mainly 4 steps later. Okay, let's see what are those. Our first step is to write a number to its nearest hundred, we need to compare the digit at tens place. Okay, we need to compare the tens place digit. Okay, the second point is the digit in ones place is always replaced by 0. So here we are finding nearest hundreds. For that we are comparing tens place digit. Then what about this ones place digit? That will be always replaced by 0 only. Okay, understood the second point now? Let's see third point. If the digit in tens place is less than 5, it is replaced by 0 while retaining the other digits. So tens place digit, if it is less than 5, it is replaced by 0 and while retaining the other digits. Okay. Now fourth point. If the digit in tens place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, it is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to the hundreds place digit. Okay, if the digit what we are comparing in tens place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, it is replaced by 0 and 1 will be added to the hundreds place digit. Now you got all the 4 points, my dear slaters? Very good. Now shall we start learning how to solve the problems? Yes, very good. Now let's see how to convert the first sum in B-bit. So children, the question is round off the given number to its nearest hundred and the number is 231. So in the number 231, what is the digit in ones place? 1. So as we are comparing tens place digit, ones place digit will be always replaced by 0. So 1 became 0 now. Let's compare the tens place digit, that is 3. Here my dear slaters, you only tell me that 3 is less than 5 or equal to 5 or greater than 5. Yes, it is less than 5. So 3 is replaced by 0 while retaining the other digit. Means whatever the digit in hundreds place, that will remain same as 2. Now what the number we got? Yes, 200. 200 is the rounded number. Therefore, we can call it as 231 is approximately equal to 200. So the nearest hundred for 231 is 200. Understood, my dear slaters? Now shall we move on to second sum? Very good. And our second sum is round off the nearest hundred for the number 468. They gave the number 468. So what about ones place digit? Yes, it will remain as 0. So 8 became 0 now. Now let's compare tens place digit. Here the tens place digit is 6. So you tell me later, 6 is greater than 5, less than 5 or equal to 5? Yes, obviously it is greater than 5. So 6 is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to the hundreds place digit. That is for the digit in hundreds place as 4, we added 1 and that became 5 now. Okay, now what number we got? Yes, 500. Now 500 is the rounded number. Okay, therefore we can call it as 468 is approximately equal to 500. So the nearest hundred for 468 is 500. Understood? Let's see finally one more sum later, and I hope this time you should estimate the answer, then I'll tell the answer before. Okay. And the question is, round off the nearest hundred for a number 1845. Okay, now letters in the number 1845. What is the ones place digit? Yes, 5. So it is replaced by 0. Very good. Now tens place digit. What we compare is tens place digit, right? So what is the value there? 4. So now you tell me 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5 or equal to 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So what we need to do now? Yes, 4 is replaced by 0 while retaining the other digits. I mean the digit in hundreds place and thousands place will remain the same. Okay, now what value we got? Yes, 1800. Now 1800 is the rounded number. Therefore, we can call that 1845 is approximately equal to 1800. Okay, the 1800 is the nearest hundred for the 1845. I hope you all have understood how to find the nearest hundred for a given number. Okay, now finally let's learn how to find the nearest thousands for a particular number. So my dear slaters, to round off a number to its nearest thousands, we need to follow few steps. Let's see what are those. To write a number to its nearest thousand, we need to compare the digit at hundreds place. So tell me slaters, to round off the nearest tens, what place we compare? Yes, we compare the ones place digit. And to round off the nearest hundred, what place digit we compare? Very good, tens place digit. Then to find the nearest thousand, we should compare hundreds place digit. Okay, now second point. The digit at ones place and the tens places are always replaced by 0. So slaters, here we are comparing hundreds place digit, right? So ones place and tens place digits will be replaced by 0. Now third point. If the digit at hundreds place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, it is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to the thousands place digit. So whatever the digit we are comparing, if it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, it is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to the thousands place digit. Okay, now finally fourth point. If the digit at hundreds place is less than 5, it is replaced by 0 while retaining the other digit. Okay, so whatever digit we are comparing, if it is less than 5, it is replaced by 0 while retaining the other digits. So shall we start learning how to solve it? Yes, now let's see the questions. See it. Round off the given number to its nearest thousand. And the given number is 3251. For the number 3251, we need to find the nearest thousand. So, slaters, as we are comparing hundreds place digit here, so ones place and tens place will be replaced by zeros. So 1 became 0, 5 also became 0. Now hundreds place digit, that is 2. Now you tell me slaters, that 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5 or equal to 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So 2 is replaced by 0 while retaining the other digit. I mean whatever digit in the thousands place and the next places will remain same. Here in the thousands place 3 is there, so 3 is remained as same 3. Now what is the rounded number there? Yes, 3000. So 3000 is the rounded number. Therefore, we can call it as 3251 is approximately equal to 3000. Understood? Now let's see one more question. That is, round the nearest thousands for the number 1086. Now for this number, we need to find the nearest thousand. Okay, so ones place in tens place digits will be zeros, and the compare digit, hundreds place digit is 0 there. So now what the digit what we are comparing only 0, children. So you tell me 0 is less than 5, greater than 5 or equal to 5? Obviously it is less than 5, right? So 0 is remained as 0 only. Now while retaining the other digits, that is 1. Okay, now the rounded number is 1000. Therefore, we can call it as 1086 is approximately equal to 1000. The nearest thousand for 1086 is 1000. Now you got the point. Now finally, third sum. For this sum, I hope you should estimate the answer before I reveal. Now, let's see the question. The question is, round the nearest hundreds, nearest thousands for the number 19,731. For this number, we need to find the nearest thousand. Okay, so as we are comparing hundreds place digit, ones place in tens places, yes, remind as 0. Now hundreds place digit is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So 7 is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to thousands place. So in thousands place what digit is there? 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So as we can't write directly 10 in the complete thousands place, we carried that 1 to the 10,000s place. Now total 19,000 became 20. Okay, that thousands place before it we have 19,000. Now it became 20,000. Okay, so 20,000 is the rounded number there. Therefore, we can call that 19,731 is approximately equal to 20,000. My dear sleepers, with this explanation, we completed exercise 2.5. For better understanding, watch the video for 3 times. After that, copy the given homework and do them. Till then, thank you.